because if you can see, I've put in a rope. You see, I've put in a rope around it, and you watch here, you can see that the rope is not, though it's not too much close with it. The same thing applies here. You can see. So there's a rope around it. You see, so it's not everything that you get it 100% as you want it. Definitely there might be a little bit this thing. So I don't know. You can see there's a rope that we put in around it, that they are all in line. They are all in line. You see? So there's nothing wrong with this particular one pillar. There's nothing wrong with it. Even if the flow come and falls on it, that is all. See? So there's a rope that I've put in it around it. Yeah, one free.